Welcome to the AZ channel.
Oh my god.
It was very close. A red light at the traffic light. It happened in Tyler, Texas. I did not see a stop sign on the way to this intersection, which means that the driver of the white Mercedes did not respect the stop sign. Tesla runs a red light and T-bones a Prius. Both drivers were ladies, and they were okay. The Tesla was able to drive away after, but they had to tow the Prius away. It happened in Temple City, California. The idiot from the opposite direction is not looking where he is going. The driver in the white SUV is trying to avoid the accident. He avoided one, but he went down too far into the ditch and started to topple. I really don't know how he didn't see the truck. He cut the lane. Everything is obvious here. It happened in Ontario, Canada. Same clip, only from a different angle. Here you will see people running away from a bus that caught fire. Enjoy the clip until the end, because you will also see drivers who drive through the fire and are not firefighters. Car in front was turning, however driver couldn't see around the left turning lane on the other side and thought he could make it.
Okay.
There's a stop sign!
Why do you even need a stop sign?
Jesus fuck!
Last clip. Look at the idiot in the white car. Really unnecessary behavior. Enjoy. See you next time.
Nadie hace así, nadie lo hace, nadie. Dice yield y pone como si dijera go. Go, yeah. motherfucker! Asshole! Eso me cae a mí como... No lo puedo chocar, ¿no? No. Sí le voy a dar eso la